October dump on Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I already added this story right here, so I'll show you how to add this too. So I will go out of the story, and then from here you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the page. And then here you have to search for either my account or this second account, which is the original. But if you go to my account, you'll find that sticker much more easier because I only have a few stories added. So search for Ali and John. YTT, and from here you have to click at story trends from highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in 24 hours. So click on highlights at story trends, and you will find that trend at the end. Here we go, and from here you have to click on add yours button. And right now you can go to uploads and add your pictures. So I will just go with this picture right here. This is just an example for you guys. I will not make it super beautiful. So you can now adjust your sticker and then click on send to, and then click on your story and then click on share, and then done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.